Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to edit data validation in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, product and category list. And in this category, when I click on the any cell, you can see the list of category, the drop down list. It means here already apply the data validation for list. Okay, so here I'm going to change this list in data validation. The current list is a category as mentioned stationery, electronic, furniture, accessories. This list is showing in drop down list. Now I'm going to change in status column the pending, in progress, completed, cancel, on hold. Okay. For that, I just copy this new list. I just select this and just double click. You can double click and select the entire list and use the Control C to copy this entire list. Now I select the range of cell. Okay, and go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the data validation option. Click on this drop down arrow, click on the first option, data validation. In data validation dialog box, you can see the first tab is the settings. In validation criteria, here the already applied some criteria. You can see in the source, the category list here showing. Now here I want to change this list. So I just double click. You just select the entire list and you can use the delete key to delete this list and paste your Control V, new list. Okay. After that, just click on OK. And that's it. When you click on this, the drop down arrow, you can see the new list is showing in progress, complete, cancelled, on hold, in progress. So this is a new list. So this is a way you can edit your data validation in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.